So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So we would want to see what market is going to do for us once it opens on Monday. So let's start with our trend first. But before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Make sure you like this video, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates for you, you would not miss out on that update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, take a look at this our trend on GBPJPY. As you can clearly see, we are in a ranging market move. This is market currently ranging. Now, take a look at this movement, what market did right here. Market was able to give us this bullish move, then we rejected, that made it to drop right back to our support. From this, we had this rejection from our resistance and it dropped back to our support. Then we eventually got the rejection from the support and which made market to bounce up to our resistance. The market eventually rejected from our resistance and it dropped to our support. The market eventually rejected from our support level and it pushed up to tap our resistance. Now we will be expecting market to reject from this resistance and drop to this our support level. So a bearish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on GBPJPY. Now, take a look at this movement right here. So, all you just need right on GBPJPY is your sell setup. Remember, if you do not see the sell setup, it will be best you do not take the trade. Only take the trade once you can find or see your sell setup. Remember, you should only take the sell setup once you can find the sell setup. So more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So click on the subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.